If your drain pipe is clogged with paper towels or wipes, getting it cleared out fast is a must to avoid a messy backup. So, here's the deal. First, don't just flush more stuff down trying to push it through, because that usually makes it worse. Grab some gloves and try to reach in and pull out whatever you can see. That's the quickest fix. If you can't reach it, a plumber's snake or a bit of wire bent into a hook can help snag the blockage. Pouring hot water down after you've removed the big stuff helps clear out any leftover bits. Avoid using harsh chemicals. They might ruin your pipes or just sit there without clearing wipes or paper towels. Keep a plunger handy because sometimes a few good pumps can loosen stuff stuck in the pipe. Also, next time, try to only flush toilet paper. Wipes and paper towels do not break down and are notorious for causing clogs. If it's still blocked after all this, calling a professional is the safest bet before things get out of hand. One of the biggest mistakes people make with clogged drain pipes is flushing paper towels or wipes, thinking they are safe. These materials don't break down like toilet paper and jam pipes easily. Another common issue is relying too much on chemical drain cleaners. They won't dissolve wipes and can damage your plumbing system over time. Lastly, ignoring early signs of slow drainage often leads to bigger blockages and expensive repairs. Catching problems quickly by manually removing blockages or using a snake tool saves a lot of hassle later. Fix these by throwing wipes in the trash, using mechanical tools instead of chemicals, and paying attention to small slowdowns in your drains. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know how to handle these kinds of plumbing headaches without messing things up. Plus, it gives contractors a way to connect with folks who need their skills, making it easier to find good work and get things done right.